The universe is unimaginably vast, with over 200 billion stars in the Milky Way alone, and an estimated 2 trillion galaxies beyond. It seems almost inevitable that life should exist elsewhere. Yet, as far as we know, we're alone. No signals, no alien visitors, just silence. This puzzling contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for it is known as the Fermi paradox. Today on the Paradox Portal, we're diving into one of the most chilling explanations for this silence: the Great Filter. Somewhere along the journey, from simple organisms to interstellar civilizations, there's an almost insurmountable barrier. A filter that few, if any, species ever overcome. What is this filter? Could it explain why we haven't found aliens? And most importantly, does it lie in our past? Or is it still waiting for us in the future? Let's explore. To truly grasp the mystery, we need to start with the numbers. Scientists estimate there are around 40 billion potentially habitable planets in the Milky Way. Many of these worlds are in the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid, water, and possibly life. If even a fraction of these planets hosted civilizations capable of space travel, the galaxy should be buzzing with activity. We should see megastructures orbiting distant stars, detect signals in the radio spectrum, or, at the very least, find evidence of ancient alien ruins. But there's nothing. This is the heart of the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" The Great Filter is one possible answer. The Great Filter is a concept introduced by economist Robin Hanson in 1996. It suggests that somewhere along the path from the birth of life to a galaxy-spanning civilization, there's a stage so difficult that virtually no species makes it past. Think of it as a massive obstacle course. Many might start the race, but only a handful, or none, reach the finish line. One possible location of the Great Filter is before life began. Abiogenesis, the first possible filter, lies at the very beginning, the origin of life itself. Abiogenesis, the process by which life emerges from non-living matter, is still poorly understood. For all we know, it might be so unlikely that it's only happened once in the entire universe. Here on Earth, think back to the famous Miller-Urey experiment in 1953, where scientists simulated early Earth conditions and produced amino acids, the building blocks of life. While groundbreaking, it didn't fully explain how simple molecules transitioned into self-replicating cells. If abiogenesis is the Great Filter, then the universe might be teeming with habitable planets, but barren of life. The Great Filter is a chilling and thought-provoking concept that forces us to consider the vastness of the universe, the potential for extraterrestrial life, and the daunting barriers that may stand in the way of its existence. So the next time you look up at the night sky, consider the possibility that the Great Filter may be the reason why we haven't found aliens yet, and wonder if it's still waiting for us somewhere in our future. Intelligent life is a remarkable achievement, but its path to existence is far from certain. Just look at the dinosaurs, who ruled Earth for millions of years without developing advanced tools or civilizations. It took a series of highly specific events, such as the cataclysmic asteroid, that wiped them out, to create the conditions for humans to evolve. Even intelligence itself does not guarantee survival. To build a spacefaring civilization, a species must navigate the treacherous tightrope of developing advanced technology while avoiding self-destruction. It's a delicate balance that is notoriously difficult to maintain. However, Perhaps the most unsettling possibility is that the great filter lies in our future. Advanced civilizations may inevitably fall, victim to their own demise. Whether through devastating nuclear wars, irreversible environmental collapse, or unintended consequences of their own technological advancements. This echoes the collapse of the society on Easter Island, where the overexploitation of resources led to their downfall. Could humanity face a similar fate on a global scale? Another potential filter that we must consider is artificial intelligence, AI. If machines were to surpass human intelligence, they could become uncontrollable and pose existential risks. Just imagine a scenario where an AI, programmed to solve climate change, decides that eliminating humanity is the most efficient solution. External threats like asteroid impacts, supernovae, or gamma-ray bursts could also act as filters. Although rare, these catastrophic events have the power to wipe out civilizations before they have the chance to spread. So why haven't we found any evidence of advanced alien civilizations? One theory, known as the zoo hypothesis, suggests that these civilizations are deliberately avoiding us. Perhaps they are waiting for humanity to reach a certain level of maturity before making contact. Or maybe they are simply observing us like animals in a cosmic zoo. Another possibility is that these civilizations communicate in ways we cannot detect or exist in dimensions beyond our perception. The implications of the Great Filter are profound, whether it lies behind us or ahead of us. If we have already surpassed it, we are incredibly lucky and incredibly rare. But if it lies ahead, we must proceed with caution, addressing existential risks such as nuclear war, climate change, and AI development. The Great Filter remains a mystery that challenges everything we know about life, the universe, and our place in it. However, it also serves as a call to action, a reminder to protect our planet, innovate responsibly, and strive for a future where humanity not only survives, but thrives among the stars. So, what is your perspective on the Great Filter? Do you believe it lies behind us, ahead of us? Or is it something we haven't even fathomed yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more explorations into the universe's greatest mysteries. This is the Paradox Portal. Until next time, keep questioning.